Welcome to Project Timber, manufacturer of the lowest prices on the largest range. Begin choosing from the largest range of garden buildings around. We've got something for everyone, in nearly every size you can think of. Pressure treatment is always free, so your building can stand up to anything. And if you need it fast, we offer next day delivery and pick a day delivery, all free of charge. Our buildings are best selling for a reason. They've stood the test of time, so choose us today for a trusted UK manufacturer. Have it exactly how you want with our fully customisable products. We really hand you the flexibility, making our range totally unique. We design our products to help make your garden look amazing. Get ready for garden envy. You can trust us here at Project Timber for high quality products. Now, the lowest prices on the largest range in the UK. And more to add, top-notch service. We've got your back. Check out our website now and find the perfect garden space with us here at Project Timber, the ultimate destination for garden buildings.